My people, I get one small thing. My advice to all the artists when they Europe, EU artists. And another thing again, not be everybody need to sing. Not be everybody God say you must sing. If you get where you want for help person when you know say he sabi sing, not say because say he sabi sing and you get wetin you want to help and you can't go dey use am take dey push yourself to sing. No. Old man, you go dey buy studio time wey you suppose to take buy studio time for small pikin, you go dey use am to wait for yourself.
You say you wan sing,
you wan blow, you wan sing. No. If you see who good for your hood, for the city where you dey, put hand together and support am. Not be everybody go dey front of camera. If you even look on people wey dey back of camera, na many pass people wey dey front. Do your best for am. Not be you can't leave and say, "Hi, you get money or you get this, you want self stay dey sing." No, let am sing. Na him sabi sing. Support am. Abeg, I dey beg all the EU artists. More they support each other, more not they use mouth till they kill each other.
And the worst thing, bro, say, men they don't come this Europe before they come they say they want to sing.
I don't tire.
See, anything when you start for Europe, if in your will, your zeal to do them, no problem. But some they want the form artists make guests for the
follow them.
They say guests they like person with popular. I be singer. You guess you can tag when people they tag me. I don't want they comment because if I comment, my comment go shake table.
Yes,
you understand? That's why if you tag me, I look and say that thing you tag me, na rubbish. I'll remove her. I'll remove her. They'll say Shaka cannot they comment, Shaka cannot they comment. My dear, if you post something when we say they contribute to the industry,
yes, no,
I'll comment. Say you just carry post one thing. You call it talk about and so boyfriend of this one, girlfriend of this one. Me Shaka call the comment put for what thing? Why will comment put?
I am tired.
When post reasonable something, yes sir. If I see that, I'm go post. I think post 20 times.
Yes no.
Especially when they call the right now for Facebook. No need. So not the post picture. They call you right. If you know you're a virgin.
So you're right. Boys and girls who find pass, drop your piece.
For the artists, the DJs, the MCs, my turn on one thing. One thing I don't know for this industry, for the Europe side. Your fellow man, he's still a comedian. Then because he yesterday go like 5 shows for under 1 month, you go once, you can't say we say what maybe your people can talk about that boy say that guy that correct guy the guy they go show where then you can't use man the spoiler what they talk what they sing what they do it's a bit sing it's a bit do comedy.
No, it's not good. Very bad.
It's not good. Your fellow artist go poster for wall for street you go to tear am.
It's not good.
No how you go to tear am.
And if you know say they do that kind of thing, I beg change.
It's not good.
Because it's not good.
Not good. If you be say maybe for instance, you and person want to do something later, you come see another person do one. My dear, shake your side way.
Yes.
If people they run for you, shake your side. Shake your side.
Me, you know girl you want to confirm to me say one person say 10 person not good. Or one person say 4 person not good. Or even 2 person. Where 3 people they only you want to say 2 not good. No. Now you will check. You need to check yourself.
Check yourself.
Well.
Shake yourself. I beg. You know say that word EU star, it can sweet.
That's why now international. Even people when they ask, they want they come they follow us, they drag international. That make flash say I'm international, I'm foreign. It never even be foreign now. EU artists now them be foreign, now them be international.
That's why many they want the Italian music comedy. I say MC come tire. MC comedy I mean. MCs for everywhere. Sure not the you know the rituals go again.
Me I talk I wish my papa come Europe or my papa come Europe. Now MC or artist. He must enter entertainment.
My papa come Europe now DJ you put on. You go buy speakers. You buy laptop. First thing, you buy laptop. You install virtual DJ. You do DJ. You can for birthday.
I tell you.
Birthday.
You don't go theater for yourself. You want to do your birthday, now confirm.
God bless you now. Keep watching WhatsApp program.